everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a video that I've never done in the past, but I hope to do similar sort of videos in the future if you guys like today's video. So let's talk about my lashes. Okay, so my lashes, I've always had very thin sparse lashes that would always like fall flat, so they could like never really hold a curl. That was my last situation, and I've tried in the past using castor oil like to apply on my eyelashes, but I was never really consistent with it. I would do it for a day or two and then forget to do it. But even when I did it for a day or two, I could like tell small little differences in my lashes the next day when I would wake up. So I thought, why not put my lashes through a test, or put the castor oil through a test, wherein I will be applying castor oil every single night before going to bed on my eyelashes. And I have kind of monitored the entire process. Initially, I wanted to do it for 30 days, but I kind of knew I would set myself up for failure. So I think 7 days is a good enough, like it's a good number to begin with. And maybe in the challenges that I'm going to do in the future, those could be 30-day challenges. But I wanted to kind of conduct an experiment, monitor the entire process, and of course showcase the results to you guys towards the end of the video. So if you're interested in knowing how I potentially grew my eyelashes, then keep on watching. I think I've already mentioned that I'm going to be using castor oil. The castor oil that I used for 7 days straight was the Mamaearth's castor oil. This is 100% pure cold pressed oil. And may I add, this is all natural, mineral oil and silicone free, which was very important for me because I was going to apply this oil on my eyes. So it had to be mineral oil free, because I know a lot of castor oils have mineral oil mixed in them, and I would not recommend applying that oil to your eyes because your eyes are very sensitive. You guys know that I have a code with Mamaearth, which is Mridul20, so you can use that on their website to get a 20% off. You can buy this oil from mamaearth.in or Nykaa and Amazon as well. Since this was an experiment, of course I had to document the before. So here are a few before images of what my eyelashes looked like before I went through this 7-day process. As you can see, not very many eyelashes really to even capture. बहुत ही पतले हैं eyelashes, they're not thick at all. So yeah, that was my before. Now let's talk about how to apply the castor oil. Even before I tell you guys how to apply it on your eyelashes, the first thing that I would recommend is to do a patch test. So make sure to take a little bit of oil and apply it maybe on your neck or some part of your skin, body, and just see how and if your body reacts to the oil. If it doesn't, you're completely good to go. You're not allergic to the oil. And now how to apply it? You can go about 2 ways. The first one is you can get these little mascara tubes, empty mascara tubes, which has like a spoolie, and of course where you can fill in the oil. I will link the tube in the description box below. I think that definitely does make everything easier. Even before you apply the oil on your eyelashes, make sure that your eyelashes are clean. There's no makeup on your eyelashes. You've just washed your face ideally. And then what I do is I just take a little bit of oil on the tips of my fingers, rub it between my fingers just to warm up the oil a little bit, and then I directly apply it on my lash line and my lashes, both my lower lash line and my upper lash line as well. Now one thing to make sure of is that don't let the castor oil drip into your eyes. Take very little and just apply it on the lash lines, and once I'm done with that, towards the end I'll take my thumb and my index finger and just kind of pinch my eyelashes, but very gently, so that my entire eyelashes are coated with castor oil. Also make sure to apply the castor oil right before you're going to bed. So don't apply the oil and then sit on your phone for like hours. Ideally just सोने जाने वाले हो उससे पहले लगा लो and then go to bed, because that will just prevent the castor oil getting into your eyes. That's what I did for the next 7 days. And the ironic thing about this challenge is that I chose to do this challenge on a week where I slept every day after like 3 o'clock. But at the same time, I will say that I'm very good at removing my makeup and doing my nighttime skincare routine. So involving one more step in that process wasn't that big of a hassle. And spoiler alert, I did not miss even one day of applying the castor oil. I was really good at it. I applied it every night. Even when I was staying at my friend's place, I think I was at Siddhi's place for like 3 days out of the 7-day challenge, which is a very normal thing. I stay at her house very, very often, very frequently. I think 3 times out of the 7 days, I do end up spending my nights there. So I took my castor oil in a small little travel tin, and I would just apply it like regular. Now, before I share with you the before and after images so that you can judge for yourself, I have a few facts. Since this was a scientific experiment, I thought why not put a few facts out there. So castor oil has 90% ricinoleic acid, which helps moisturize your eyelashes, and it also has omega-6 fatty acids, which helps improve the health of your hair. So that's the scientific logic behind if and why castor oil helps with eyelash growth. Now finally, coming to the part that you guys have been all waiting for, or probably why you even clicked on this video, it's the before and after. Honestly, every single day I could see very little like differences, improvements in my eyelashes. But jab maine before and after pictures liya, and when I compared them, my mind was blown. Honestly, I'm shocked. Here are the before and after images. Like when you put it side by side, I think it is insane how my eyelashes look so much longer almost, and also thoda bahut thicker. Like in the before image, you can't even tell if I have lashes, and in the after picture, I have lashes. And I'm gonna also insert a video just to show you guys कि मैंने कुछ भी mascara नहीं लगाया. There's absolutely nothing on my eyelashes. They're my raw, natural eyelashes without any makeup, of course. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this transformation. Doing this 7-day challenge has definitely kind of made me realize how much of a difference castor oil can make, and I am most definitely going to continue doing this, not just for the 7-day challenge, but I think forever, I guess, because the difference was drastic. Just imagine if I would have done this challenge for 30 days, probably I would stop wearing false eyelashes, maybe. I will make sure to link this product in the description box below, but I think that's basically about it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you've been trying to grow your lashes out, I hope this helps. And I think that's about it. Subscribe to my channel, click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.